Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can build your own Odoo website, so let's get right into it. Now, whether you're using Odoo online or if you're using it on a standalone installation on your own device, it really doesn't matter. All you need to do is access the dashboard, which I'm currently at now. Online, it's very easy. You just enter your database, which you've created, and if you're on the standalone, you need to run the server and then access the dashboard through entering your server URL or just using localhost and entering :8069, which is the port which Odoo uses for the database. Now, once you're here, you need to have the website module. If you don't have it, just install it through apps, but usually if you're planning on using Odoo for web development or for creating a website, you probably already set it up when you were setting up the database. So I'm just going to enter it here, and it'll open up immediately the home page. Now, you won't have any content of this sort on your home page. This is what I've added myself. However, you can add whatever you want. Now, you can click new to create new pages, or you can just click edit to edit existing ones which are currently already on. And if I click edit, it'll open up this here block builder, which is pretty similar to Wix and Squarespace and other similar services. So just go ahead and choose and drag and drop any blocks which you might want to display. And once you do, just select whichever type you would like. So for example, this one. And as you can see, now it's been added to my site. So once you're done with that, and once you've made any necessary changes, click save. And you can optimize the SEO of your page if you want, or if not, that's pretty much all you need to do. And your website, if it says published, will be published for everyone to see. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.